Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful simple flower friendship bracelets. I'm going to drop all the details for how to cut your strings in the comments. To start with, you're going to start with your green strings off to each side, and then the 2 yellows and the 4 whites in the center. You're going to start by making a square knot. To do that, place your left string behind the center strings and over the right string. Then take the right string and place it through the loop that formed on the left when you did the last step. And you'll see that you're basically encircling the center strings over there. Now pull it tight. That was half a square knot. To complete it, you're going to do the opposite direction. Right string under center and over left, left through the loop on the right. Now pull it tight, and that is a complete square knot. So you're going to do about 6 of these or 10 of these. This is your background color, so you can really go however many you like. Continue, you have to rearrange your strings, just sort of force it so that the greens are back in the center and your 4 whites are 2 on one side and 2 on the other. Throughout this bracelet, you see as you arrange your strings, you're sort of forcing them. So now make a square knot. Hopefully you remember how to do that using both of the white strings. You're going to have to sort of force it all the way up against your background strings. This is sort of how you start your flower, so just so you know. So that was half a square knot, and now do the other half. I apologize for any background noise. My husband's bathing the kids, and one of them isn't so happy. They're being taken care of. All right, now isolate your green strings, one on each side of the yellow. The yellow is the center, so you need those to remain in the center. Now take the white string that's on the right, and you're going to backwards, forwards knot it around the green right string. So that was a backwards and a forwards, and that completes one knot. And then you're going to repeat that again and do backwards, forwards again. So that starts forming the circle around the center that creates your flower. Now on the left side, you're going to reverse it. You can do forwards and backwards. If you don't know yet how to make these knots, that's a basic groundwork friendship bracelet knot. So you should learn, but it's a simple knot, one string around the other. And forwards, backwards just refers to the knotting string and the direction that it goes around the base string. So that was forward, backward, forward, backward. Now for the center, you're simply doing an overhand knot. You will need to sort of hold it down in the center as you pull it so that it sits as close as possible to the center flower. You're using both yellow strings together to do this, and you can double it up if you'd like, but you don't have to. You're going to complete it with another white square knot at the bottom, and then you make sure it goes up against, and that completes the flower. You can see that it's quite simple in concept. You simply repeat the pattern of however many square knots you want in your background, and then a flower. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool tutorials.